Hey guys, Sean Lentz here from Appalachian DIY, and today I'm going to show you how to put on a mower deck onto a B series Kubota. One of the most important things is getting it lined up properly. That way you don't have to move the mower deck once it's under the tractor. The first thing you're going to need to do is climb up onto your deck, and that's where these pieces come in handy. All you got to do is put them down here in the lip and just climb up over. However, I don't prefer these. They do work, but I prefer a block of wood compared to these because they're so short. This allows you to get up on the block and then climb onto your deck that way. I prefer the blocks a little better, but these work just fine. It's just a matter of preference. The next thing you're going to need to do is make sure that your mower deck setting is set to the lowest position possible. The first thing that you're going to need to do is hook up the PTO shaft. Now that's going to be a little tricky. It's up underneath here, and you can see this collar here. This collar actually slides back and forth, and that's what allows this to come off and on. Now make sure this is greased up really well because it tends to want to stick, and that's going to go right up here. Take your retention pins and lock them in the open position, and then lower your lifting arms. Release the pins and lock them onto the mower deck. The last thing you need to do is attach this support bar. Inside here there's a little lever. Pull that over and that allows these hooks to come down. Then all you do is take this support bar, catch it with the hooks, slam it up into place, and then release your pin. That's pretty much it for putting it on. Now I'll go and show you guys how to take it off. First thing you're going to do, release this front pin, snap it into place, release your hooks, and pull out your support bar. Undo your attachment lowering and raising bars, lock them into place on both sides. Go ahead and start your tractor and lift them out of the way. Okay, now all you need to do is pull this collar straight back and pull everything off. And just let that sit right there. Now we can place our blocks between the front tire and the front of the deck to climb up over. Now that everything is unattached and lifted out of the way, we can go ahead and back over. Make sure your four-wheel drive is engaged. There you have it, guys. Pretty simple. It does take a little bit of finesse, but you can do it with one person. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button. Head over to Appalachian DIY for more Kubota videos. Thanks again, guys, and I hope to see you next time.